Welcome, coin collectors and history enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of United States dollar coins, featuring the rare Sacagawea $1 coin from 2000 and the historic Martin Van Buren $1 coin from 1837 to 1841. From modern mintage marvels to presidential treasures, these coins are not just currency. They're pieces of American history that can captivate any collector's heart. Stay tuned as we explore their value, rarity, design details, and the stories behind these iconic coins. Whether you're a numismatics enthusiast, a coin collector, or just curious about U.S. dollar coins, this video is your ultimate guide to discovering treasures from the past and present. Imagine holding a piece of history so rare, so extraordinary, that it could change your life overnight. The 2000 Liberty Sacagawea $1 coin, minted at the Philadelphia Mint and marked with the P Mint mark, is not just any coin. It is a treasure that collectors across the globe would give anything to own. This golden-hued masterpiece, depicting the brave and visionary Sacagawea carrying her child on her back, captures the spirit of resilience, hope, and adventure. Owning this coin is like owning a tiny, gleaming portal to America's rich history, a symbol of freedom and progress that transcends time. But what makes this coin truly astonishing is not just its beauty, it is its rarity. While millions of Sacagawea dollars were minted in general, the 2000 P issue, particularly in pristine condition, has become a legend among numismatists. Each coin is a snapshot of the moment when artistry, history, and the craft of coin-making converged perfectly. When you gaze at this coin, you are staring at an artifact that embodies the meticulous skill of the U.S. Mint and the enduring story of Sacagawea's journey. Collectors often describe the 2000 P Liberty Sacagawea as a hidden gem because its true value is only recognized by those who understand its scarcity and historical significance. While it may sit quietly in a collection, it has the power to transform fortunes. The coin's composition, with its distinctive manganese brass golden glow, makes it visually striking and unforgettable. A single glance at this coin can evoke awe, admiration, and a deep appreciation for American heritage. What truly elevates the value of the 2000 P coin is its condition. Coins preserved in mint state with flawless surfaces and sharp details are rare jewels in the numismatic world. Even a minor imperfection can dramatically reduce its market value. This makes every coin a unique treasure, a potential multi-million-dollar investment for the discerning collector who recognizes its significance. Those lucky enough to hold it in pristine condition are holding a piece of history capable of immense financial impact. The story behind the Sacagawea dollar adds layers of meaning to its worth. Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who guided Lewis and Clark to the uncharted American West, symbolizes courage, guidance, and wisdom. By placing her on this coin, the U.S. Mint honored her invaluable role in shaping the nation. Every time the coin changes hands, it is not just a transaction. It is a connection to that historic journey, a tribute to perseverance, and a celebration of vision. Owning this coin is owning a story of strength, adventure, and resilience. For collectors, the thrill of the hunt for a coin like this cannot be overstated. The 2000 P Sacagawea dollar is a kind of coin that sparks excitement at auctions, ignites intense bidding wars, and often sells for staggering amounts. Its allure lies not only in the material, but also in the mystique. The idea that possessing it places you in a select club of individuals who truly understand its power. This is not a coin you casually hold. It is a crown jewel that demands admiration and respect. In today's market, the value of the 2000 P Liberty Sacagawea dollar is often described in whispers of millions. While not every specimen reaches such astronomical heights, coins in perfect condition with certified grading can easily fetch prices that could turn modest fortunes into unimaginable wealth. Investors and collectors alike covet this coin, knowing that its rarity and historical resonance make it far more than mere currency. It is a tangible piece of legacy that could elevate anyone who owns it. Beyond the financial implications, this coin carries a sense of prestige. Displaying it in a collection, showcasing it to fellow enthusiasts, or even using it as a centerpiece of discussion instantly elevates your status as a serious collector. The 2000 P Sacagawea dollar is more than a coin. It is a symbol of expertise, discernment, and passion for numismatics. It is a testament to the fact that true treasures are not measured solely in dollars, but in the stories they carry and the history they preserve. The allure of this coin also lies in its timelessness. While trends and collectibles come and go, the significance of a coin like this never fades. Its golden brilliance, historical importance, and scarcity ensure that it remains a sought-after piece for generations. To own it is to hold a bridge between the past and the present, a shimmering reminder that some treasures are eternal. Collectors who understand this know they are not just buying a coin, they are acquiring a legacy. Finally, the 2000p Liberty Sacagawea $1 coin is a rare jewel that should never be undervalued or spent carelessly. It has the power to transform lives, not just through its market value, but through the historical and emotional significance it carries. Anyone fortunate enough to own one holds not just a coin, but a key to a story of adventure, courage, and fortune. Treat it with reverence, protect it diligently, and recognize its immense potential to change your destiny. Because this is not just a coin, it is a ticket to legacy and unimaginable wealth. The Martin Van Buren silver dollar, struck between 1837 and 1841 at the Philadelphia Mint, is a coin that carries the weight of American history in its very metal. Unlike ordinary currency, this coin was minted during a time of immense transformation in the United States, a period when the young nation was finding its economic footing. Owning a piece of this legacy is like holding a fragment of America's story, a tangible link to the era of one of the country's lesser celebrated yet fascinating presidents. The artistry, the historical significance, and the rarity of the coin combine to create something far more valuable than its face value, a true treasure of the numismatic world. What makes the Van Buren dollar truly extraordinary is not just its silver content, but its scarcity. Even though it was produced over a span of several years, many of these coins were lost to circulation, melted down, or damaged over time. Few survive today in collectible condition, and those that do are coveted by collectors and investors alike. The coin's mint mark, the simple P for Philadelphia, is a subtle yet crucial detail, marking it as a product of the first and one of the most historically significant mints in the country. This tiny letter elevates the coin from mere metal to a story frozen in silver. The design of the coin is a masterpiece in its own right. On the obverse, a dignified portrait of Martin Van Buren captures the essence of his leadership, ambition, and the nuanced character of a president who faced the tumultuous panic of 1837 and the political challenges of a divided nation. The reverse features intricate engravings that showcase the high craftsmanship of the era, with delicate motifs that highlight the United States' emerging identity. Every line, curve, and inscription speaks to a time when coins were not just currency, but symbols of national pride and artistic expression. The Van Buren dollar is not just a collectible. It is a statement. Holding it in your hand is an encounter with history, a moment that connects you to a period over 180 years ago. Its value has skyrocketed not merely because of its rarity, but because collectors recognize the powerful story it tells. A coin like this can transform a collection from ordinary to legendary, making a centerpiece for anyone passionate about American numismatics. Each surviving coin is a silent ambassador of the past, carrying whispers of political intrigue, economic upheaval, and the ambitions of a young nation striving to define itself. For investors, the Van Buren dollar represents an opportunity few other coins can match. In today's market, pristine examples of this coin have been known to fetch millions of dollars, with prices climbing as the number of surviving specimens diminishes. Owning one can be life-changing, providing not only financial security, but the prestige of holding one of the rarest coins in American history. Unlike modern collectibles, whose value fluctuates with trends, the Van Buren dollar is a timeless asset. It's worth only intensifying as time marches forward and fewer coins remain in excellent condition. Collectors often describe the thrill of acquiring a Van Buren dollar as unparalleled. The moment you bring such a coin into your possession, there's a rush of connection, a sense that you are now the guardian of something profoundly rare and significant. Each scratch, each mark, each gleam of silver tells a story of survival across centuries, of a coin that has witnessed history unfold while remaining remarkably intact. It is not merely the metal or the portrait that captivates collectors. It is a story embedded in every detail, the bridge between past and present that few objects can offer. The coin's historical context adds to its allure. Martin Van Buren's presidency was marked by both innovation and challenge, from his role in shaping the Democratic Party to his navigation of a severe economic depression. Owning a coin from this era is akin to holding a key to a chapter of American politics, economics, and society that shaped the nation's trajectory. It represents more than currency. It embodies the aspirations, struggles, and resilience of a formative period in United States history. Every glance at this coin is a journey back in time, a reminder of the foundations upon which the modern country was built. Preservation is crucial for a Van Buren dollar. The condition of the coin dramatically impacts its value, with coins in pristine, untouched condition commanding the highest prices. Collectors meticulously study every detail, checking the clarity of Van Buren's portrait, the sharpness of the reverse engravings, and the overall integrity of the silver. Even subtle imperfections can influence the market value, making careful storage and handling essential. This careful attention only heightens the mystique of the coin. It is not just a piece of silver, but a fragile connection to history that demands respect and care. The allure of the Van Buren dollar goes beyond money. It is an emblem of prestige and accomplishment. Owning one signals profound appreciation for history, art, and rarity. It is a trophy for serious collectors, a conversation starter, and a jewel of any collection. While some coins merely circulate and fade into obscurity, the Van Buren dollar stands out as a beacon of value and history. Each coin has the power to transform a collection, a museum display, or even a personal narrative about the passion for American heritage and the art of numismatics. In conclusion, the Martin Van Buren silver dollar from 1837 to 1841 is far more than a coin. It is a story, a treasure, and a legacy. Its rarity, artistry, historical significance, and investment potential converge to make it one of the most coveted coins in the world. For anyone lucky enough to own one, it offers an opportunity to connect with history while potentially changing their financial destiny. Do not let such a treasure slip away. Its power to transform fortunes and preserve the memory of an extraordinary era in American history is unparalleled. In the Van Buren dollar, silver becomes immortal and history becomes tangible, a true crown jewel of numismatic achievement.